Hi guys, today we are making tikki chole. Tikki chole is a popular North Indian snack. It is from the category of chaat. Now chaat is a sub-cuisine of Indian cuisine and it covers these popular savory delicious snacks that are often popular with roadside vendors and these specific restaurants that cater only these particular snacks, and there are so many different variations depending on the region. For example, samosa is a chaat. Samosa is a savory pastry, that's a chaat item. But there is samosa chaat, which is basically samosas served kind of like nachos by pressing them and then topping it with lots of different variations of things, lots of crunchy things and saucy things to make it absolutely delicious. You have to try some of these Indian chaats that are very different, very peculiar, and fantastically delicious. One of the chaat items that we are making today is tikki chole. Tikki is crispy fried potato patties and chole is chickpea curry. Now this chole uses a bunch of spices to complement the flavor of the potato patties as well as to take the combination to the next level. The crispy potato patties with the delicious and spicy chickpea curry, topped with some crunchy onion, tomato, cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. All of these flavors together and all of these textures together are mind-blowing. To take this tikki chole to the next level, serve it with some tamarind date chutney or mango chutney or cilantro mint chutney or all of the chutneys and a drizzle of yogurt for the real street style tikki chole experience. Now these potato patties are usually made with just potatoes and either pan fried or deep fried, but I'm adding some quinoa to the potato patties to add a little bit more protein. For the chickpea curry, we are making a quick version with some pre-cooked chickpeas or canned chickpeas. To make the potato quinoa patties, you can use pre-cooked potatoes and pre-cooked quinoa. I usually like to cook them together. I just peel and cube the potatoes, add them to a saucepan with water, add the uncooked quinoa as well, and then cook them over medium heat until the potatoes are fork tender. If you cook the potatoes to less than an inch size cubes, then the cooking time is pretty similar to the amount of time the quinoa needs to cook, so it works out really well. Once the potatoes are cooked, just drain the potatoes and quinoa through a strainer, let them drain for a minute or so to remove the excess water and then transfer them to a bowl. Then mash them really well. Then add in the cilantro, chopped onion, green chili, minced ginger. Add in your spices, that's your carom seeds or use cumin seeds, some ground coriander, some cayenne, some salt and some chaat masala spice blend, and crumble up a slice of bread. You don't want to use super fresh and super soft bread. You want to use a slightly stale bread. Just take out a slice of bread and let it sit on the counter while you're prepping and cooking the potato quinoa mixture and while you're making the chickpea curry. The bread slice will dry out a little bit and it will be perfect for these patties. Mix all the ingredients really well. You don't want to over mash and over mix at this point, otherwise the potatoes will get gummy. Just mix all the ingredients well and then shape them into patties. Pack them really well so that they are sturdy, and then put them on a skillet over medium-high heat with a little bit of oil, and then let the patties sit undisturbed for 2 to 3 minutes. Then check if they're nicely golden on that one side and then flip them and continue to cook them until they're golden brown on the other side as well. Repeat for any leftover patties. To make the chickpea curry, heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add a little bit of oil, add the cumin seeds and cook until the cumin seeds are fragrant and change color significantly. This can take anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes depending on your skillet and the stove. Once they have changed color significantly, add in the rest of the whole spices, the black cardamom, the cloves, the bay leaves, and then mix in for a few seconds. Then add in the chopped onion and green chili and a pinch of salt and mix in and continue to cook until the onion is golden. Add splashes of water in between to help the onion cook evenly as well as to help the pan stay moist, and cook until the onion is golden brown. Once the onion is golden brown, reduce the heat to medium, add in all of the ground spices, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water so that the spices don't burn. Mix in immediately and cook the spices for about 15 seconds. Add in the ginger garlic paste and mix in and cook that for half a minute as well. Add in the water, chickpeas and salt and mix in. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Stir once in between. Open the lid and taste and adjust flavor and salt. Add in the minced ginger and some non-dairy yogurt to thicken the curry and mix in. Also adjust the consistency at this point. If you want it saucier, add in more water and mix in and bring to a boil. If you want it thicker, you can continue to cook it for a few more minutes and then switch off the heat. Now serve these chickpea potato patties and chickpea curry however you like. I like to put a good helping of chickpea curry in the bowl, top it with the crispy potato patties, add a little bit more chickpea curry on top, and then top it with the crunchy veggies, that's the onion, tomato, cucumber, or any other veggie that you want to use. some cilantro, a squeeze of lime juice, and that's it. It's heavenly. The crispy potato patties with the delicious chickpea curry. Oh my god, it's a match made in heaven. This is a gorgeous and delicious bowl of tikki chole. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing, and it's just perfect. It's a perfect light dinner. It's perfect for parties, especially Diwali parties. Perfect to even impress anybody that you invite over. I mean, who doesn't like crispy potatoes and who doesn't like chickpea curry? And together they're even more delicious. If you haven't tried any chaat, this is the one you can start with. Or you can make my chaat-inspired recipes like my samosa pie, my kachori pinwheels, which are basically spicy lentils folded up in a pinwheel, or my chili garlic tofu puffs. They make a great appetizer spread. You can also bake these potato patties or cook them in a waffle iron like my potato quinoa waffles, and serve them with the chickpea curry as well. You can convert this into a pre-meal snack by making smaller potato patties and then topping them with the chickpea curry and the crunchy veggies, kind of like a crostini. You can pre-make the patties and pan fry them until they're just starting to turn golden, and then reheat them just before serving by reheating them in the oven or pan frying them and serving them to keep that crunch on the patties. A lot of the chaat items are kind of like nachos. You need a lot of different toppings and sauces, and it feels like a lot of work, but you can plan to make an entire chaat spread, and most of those chaats will use the same toppings, the same chutneys, and the same sauces in different combinations, and that makes the planning really simple. Do try these tikki chole. Let me know how you serve them, and also do let me know how you like them. Please do review them on the blog as well. Also, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.